आप देख रहे हैं रोशन पाकिस्तान न्यूज।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। एयर चीफ मार्शल मुजाहिद अनवर खान साहब, चीफ of the Air Staff, Pakistan Air Force, Governor of Sindh, His Excellency Mr. Imran Ismail, Chairman, Joint Chief of Staffs Committee, General Zubair Mahmood Hayat Sahab, Excellencies, diplomats, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. I am honored to witness such an impressive firepower demonstration by the fighter aircraft of Pakistan Air Force today. Today's event not only represents the enormous potential of PAF's frontline fleet, but also indicates the unparalleled professionalism, incomparable skill and matchless teamwork of our brave air warriors. I take this opportunity to extend my profound felicitations to Chief of the Air Staff, Pakistan Air Force, on the success of the memorable event. I have been told that the occasion also marks the culmination of the Inter-Squadron Armament Competition 2019, in which PAF combat squadrons made strenuous endeavors to attain excellence in a healthy, competitive environment. I sincerely appreciate and can rightly feel the exemplary dedication and unremitting enthusiasm of PAF personnel which made this landmark achievement possible. We all know that Pakistan Air Force has a proud history of defending the country's aerial frontiers. The unmatched valor and audacity displayed by our PAF heroes over the years have upheld the Qaid's vision of the PAF being second to none. I feel elated after watching this awesome demonstration of our sophisticated aerial platforms and marksmen engaging targets with pinpoint precision. Today's thrilling performance by our Shaheens further enhances the nation's faith and trust in the strength of Pakistan Air Force. I am confident that in future too, PF would continue to strive for eminence and as always live up to its glorious traditions of valor and professionalism. It is also gratifying that Pakistan Air Force strongly believes in self-sustenance and pursuing modernization through indigenization. The hallmark of PAF's indigenous effort is state-of-the-art and battle-tested JF-17 Thunder, the pride of Pakistan. And in the end, I will narrate an anecdote which will make us proud further. The platform has displayed its capabilities during the recent engagement on our eastern border. The aircraft has also proven worthy of its pride during the demonstration that we have witnessed today. I am pleased that PF has embarked upon the strategic project of establishing the Aviation City and National Aerospace Science and Technology Park at Kamra. The facilities hold rewarding prospects for promoting the much needed industry-academia linkage and would serve as home to the country's aviation industry. I am glad to know that a number of friendly countries have shown interest to invest in this mega project, and we look forward to potential partners for collaboration in this venture. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan wishes to maintain peaceful relations with our other nations, especially our neighbors. Yet, we are not oblivious to safeguarding a national interest and sovereignty. I am confident that the armed forces of Pakistan are ready to face any internal or external challenge. They stood in complete synergy during our 2-decade-long war on terror and arrested threats on our western border. We have also amply demonstrated our resolve and capability against any aggression, and the entire world also witnessed our response to India's violation of Pakistan airspace in February 2019, when PF once again proved its mettle in the air battle over Kashmir and re-established its deterrence and fear in the hearts of the enemy. Pakistan will always stand by the people of Kashmir in their just struggle for self-determination. We urge the international community to bring an end to human atrocities and curfew in Indian occupied Kashmir and expedite resolution of Kashmir issue in accordance with the United Nations resolutions. Kashmiris trusted the world community in the 50s, and therefore they demand a resolution of their trust also.